Blast off. Woohoo! Awesome. Cowabunga. It's pretty awesome snow fort. Now that it's spring, we're finally getting snow. Somebody's having fun playing in the snow, making snow angels. So we're just out here playing in the snow. Okay. Where are you? There you are. Go. Let's see how fast you go. So I'm finally wearing my coat from Temu and my hat and my neck warmer as well. Alright, I'm just going out to feed the horse some grain, and then I'm gonna film these wild boys having fun in the snow. Oh my god, my grandson, you guys. He's gonna be 10 this summer. Oh geez, he's turning into a little daredevil. It's gonna scare the living daylights out of me. Jazz is waiting for her grain. She's prancing. I'm coming, Jazzercise. If you guys are in my era, you probably remember Jazzercise. It was the big craze back in the early 90s. So our horse is Jazz. We call her Jazzercise. All right, Jazzy Boo. Hey, Jazzy Boo. Hi, Jazzercise. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Let's see if she's doing the pretty dance. She always puts her little paw up. I shouldn't say paw, her leg. She's like, well, I know you're here. I know you have grain. All right, Jazz. Woo! There you go. There you go. The chickens are already in. All right, I'm gonna film these boys being wild and crazy. Oh gosh. All right. Oh, there they go. I'm like, where did they go? Oh, geez. He's up. He's waving, he's okay. Oh, it's no hand. Oh, Lord have mercy. I don't know if his grandma can take it. Careful. Colton, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm just fine.
Thumbs up? You scared the heck out of Grandma.
I didn't see the end or he rolls off.
I saw that.
It was funny when he kept going.
Crazy cat. You crazy cat. Are you having fun on this snow day? Thumbs up? Thumbs up. All right. Grandma's going to go in. My fingers are frozen.
cold out here, standing out here. So he got some good footage of him doing his acrobats on there.
Oh. All right, be safe. Grandma loves you.
Want to go a few?
It's what we call fresh powder. We got a snowmobile track, of course, because of the boys. We're having fun playing in the snow today. All right, let's go check on the chickens. We got a heat lamp in here for them. I hear them in there. Here's their little nesting box. I'm not going to open it because I don't want to get them chilled. Well, there's one of them peeking out. Hi, cutie. Hi, Goldie. Are you staying in where it's warm today? She's like, yeah. Usually they perch out here, but today they're not perching out here. They're like, no, we're going back in there. You better get in there where it's warm with your sisters. Yes, you better. Get in there, Goldie. All right. Checked on the chickens. They're doing good. The boys decided that even a tumble or two with Colton on his little sled, that wasn't going to stop them. They're still out there. There they go. Like I said, we haven't had snow all winter, so this has been crazy. This is the kind of thing that we usually do in Minnesota in the winter. Ride snowmobiles and go ice fishing and sledding and snow forts. So Friday we had woke up to about 8 inches of snow maybe. So the guys made a snow fort and they had a snowball fight. And then my husband just piled up snow so that Colton can go sledding. Here's the pile behind me right there. And they're still riding. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye. Ooh, it's sticky.